We're here at Soka at the JW Marriott. We're starting off with the margarita pizza because Flo can't go to Italy and not have margarita. We got some recommendations and two of the things that I had picked on the menu were recommended. So I'm having the rosemary lavender chicken. Flo is having the Wagyu burger, which so are Pilo and Jen, but everybody has a different side. We'll have to see which side they like best.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Very good. I love the sauce, like a honey rosemary sauce, and the potatoes are really soft. Illy Cafe tiramisu, a Basque cheesecake, creme brulee pie, that's interesting, dulce and banana, pistachio affogato, olive oleo arancia cake, so that's like an olive oil cake. I've had that before, it's good. Trio chocolate cake, a cookie plate, gelato, they have a cheese plate. It just keeps going. Oh, they have one with like the figs and honey and grapes and walnuts. That would go nice with the cheese. Oh, wow. Just wrapping up dinner here at Soka. If you're in town here in LA near the convention center, highly recommend staying here at the JW Marriott and trying out Soka. Excellent food. Showstopper was the dessert. Everything we had. It's nice and cool.
Ooh, we all trying to hit some weights?
They have good stuff. They have fruit, water, towels.
Each one has a water bottle, bro.
They have a fridge over here with the cold water too.
Oh, and there's the bathroom there.
Oh, there is? Okay, good. Room, and we're facing West Hollywood all the way out to the beach. This room view is from 1935 is the room number. And over on this side you have the Crypto Arena and the LA Convention Center. Really enjoying the JW Marriott. Looks the same as the floors on the Ritz. So the two properties are combined together. So you can use the amenities at both. 2 thumbs up. So we booked a standard king room, but we were upgraded since we're gold members. And we have the downtown LA package, which gives you a $50 credit per night. And then there is an experience charge here, $40 per night, but they give it back to you in the form of a credit for food and beverage, as well as some amenities that you can go to, like the museum, the bowling alley, etc. Let's check out the bathroom. Nice large shower. Large vanity, big sink, plenty of room for 2. All of your amenities. I like the big lotion. Great lighting for putting your makeup on. And this is the view from the restroom. And down below, you see the pool and the Ion rooftop lounge. We're adjacent to the Peacock Theater, and then there's the Crypto Arena, and the big building in the back is the Convention Center. So you have like this grand entryway. Lots of space. And over here, you have your refreshment center. There's your JW box. And inside, you have your teas, coffees, a little Biscoff, all of the condiments for your coffee, coffee maker. And over here, there were 2 complimentary waters, ice bucket. As we continue on, there's one great feature that I like. They have a refrigerator, and we'll show you that in a minute. But nice big closet with a safe. Put your suitcases in here if you were gonna unpack. Here is that fridge I was talking about. Plenty of room for your drinks. And as you can see, we already stocked it up. Here's our nice king bed. Feels pretty cushy. Got that pillow topper working. 2 nightstands with storage space. We have this great couch. I was sitting on it earlier, really comfy. You could sit there and watch the sunset on this side. We'll show you the view in a minute. And this is great, plenty of space for the desk for those of us who work from the room. This side, we have a very similar view that we had in the restroom. You can see all of the convention center and all of that, but you get a better view of the Chase Center. As you come over here to this window, you'll see the famous, what we call graffiti building. You see it a lot on TikTok and other social medias, where the graffiti artists have all tagged the top of it, depending on what you're coming to town for. There are 2 properties, 2 Marriott properties in the same building. There's the one we're in now, the JW Marriott. And if you look back, we'll put a link in here. We've also stayed at the Ritz. They share amenities. You can go to the spa in both, etc. Of course, there's different price points. If you're coming in town for business or a leisurely vacation where you're going to be out in the city doing all kinds of things, I would highly recommend the JW Marriott. What you're getting for the price point is really great. Great service, great food. The rooms are big, the beds are super comfy. Planning a staycation where you're going to be in the room most of the time, then I think I would opt up for the higher property and go to the Ritz. But there is so much that you can get here at JW Marriott. Really great for the price point, great views. You have access to all the same amenities. So the room service that we got at the Ritz, based on what they told us at Soka, the Italian restaurant here, we can get the same room service here at the JW Marriott, which we're super excited about, because dinner was great tonight and all the room service we had last time at the Ritz was fantastic. So we'll be checking that out tomorrow night.